A seventh death has been reported in the battle against the Carr fire. It was a PG&E worker. The company tells ABC News the crew member was doing restoration work in Shasta County when some kind of accident happened. PG&E says it is working with law enforcement to investigate right now. This comes as President Trump approves a major disaster declaration. The Carr fire has now destroyed more than 1,000 homes in and around Redding. More evacuations near the Mendocino complex fires. The fires have once again erupted in size. The ranch fire, the larger of the two, has now scorched more than 207,000 acres. Right now, that fire is 23% contained. The river fire, which is threatening nearby Lake County, has burned nearly 48,000 acres, and that fire is now 58% contained. The evacuation orders are now in effect for 3 counties, with the flames headed toward Colusa County. Combined, the fires have burned nearly 255,000 acres, making them the largest in the state right now.